Hi, my name is Vaishnavi. I have completed my B.TECH in the year of 2024 from Mallareddy Engineering College. After completion of my B.TECH, I joined in the Qspiders Institute, and after that I have completed course in automation testing. This Qspiders helps me a lot about joining in about getting the job. The HRs is very nice and trainers are very good. They have a lot of knowledge, so I gained a lot of knowledge from them. And coming to during my training, they conducted many programs like they conducted every weekend they will keep a test, and also they conduct mock interviews to select the company. Before going to the company, they will take mock interviews. It will help me a lot. And every day we have the presentation sections. They are also very helpful to us to gain knowledge from our friends. And they will regularly weekends they will keep the test regarding the process which we have learned throughout the week, and they are helping me a lot. Especially trainers are very good. They helped me a lot to get a job. Thank you.